Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to hide notification content in Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge smartphones. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to enter settings. Then you need to find notifications and control center. You need to open that. Then you need to open lock screen from the list. Then you need to click format. Now you can hide the content from here. So the second option called show notifications but hide content. You need to select that. So after you selecting, the new settings is applied. So hereafter the notification are displayed in the notification lock screen, but the content is not displayed. If you receive the WhatsApp message, the notification will be come, but the content of the WhatsApp message is not displayed. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.